In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Cash App card. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. There's a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks. You can also send your paychecks here and do taxes. Along with all of this good stuff is a card where you can spend your balance. The first time you go through setting this up, they'll send you a physical card in the mail. If you happen to lose this card or it gets stolen or something goes wrong, definitely be sure to lock your card first off, but then you can scroll to the bottom and tap design a new card to get a replacement card. From here you can choose your style. The mood style is $5, that's kind of a cool one, but all of these up here are going to be $5. Pink is out of stock. Then the metal ones are going to be $50. Definitely check out my other video on why I don't recommend getting the metal card. But to replace your card, you would just have to tap on one of these options. You're going to have to pay $5. From here, you can just go to order card or personalize the card if you want to do a custom design on it. There you have it, how to replace your Cash App card. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.